The Art of Making Burek. The tradition of burek dates back 5 centuries, and the recipe has stayed unchanged since the beginning. The recipe is very simple. All we need is flour, water, salt and oil. Burek was founded in Turkey and then transferred over to Macedonia, more specifically in the Balkans. Burek has been part of our traditional and authentic kitchen in Macedonia, Serbia, Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro and Slovenia. My passion for burek started over 10 years ago. I started working in my father's bakery as a 16-year-old teenager. There are 3 parts in the burek making process. First part is mixing the flour and water until you get the ideal texture of the dough. The temperature plays a big part in getting the dough just right. If the humidity is higher, you need less water. If the humidity is low, you need more water. There isn't an exact recipe that we follow. Everything is based on feel. My father would always say, "You feel the weather and you'll mix the dough." The target in the second part is to get the structure of the burek just right and to strengthen the elasticity. The shaping of the dough balls ideally needs to be smooth. In between parts 2 and 3, the dough needs to stay in butter overnight for approximately 6 to 8 hours. Last part is the last and most important. Getting a rhythm and being consistent is crucial. At this point, the dough is very gentle and elastic that even a little bit of carelessness could cause the dough to break. From the very beginning, I developed an appreciation for the process of burek making. It doesn't feel like work when you have a genuine love for what you do. To become a master of burek, it takes years of experience. My goal for burek is to be one day globally recognized.